Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video we are going to discuss about the move functions or operations in TIA portal. So let's see. I have a bit which is called S71200 which I use for energize and non-energize and unenergize our move function. So first of all I'm going to describe you some basics moves and trucks operations. So first of all you will see how move log data from one tag to another. So I'm going to compile that and going to download into my PLC. So you will see, first of all I'm going to modify display format into decimal. So first will say it will move value of 1 to our NW2, you will see. So it will move what value I want to move. It will move from one tag to another. So I'm just again compiling it, and now I'm using a memory MW as an integer bit for integer memory for moving our tag. So I'm going to change it to modify operand to 5, and then when I'm going to modify it to 1, you will see it will move 5 to another. So if you want to move some data block here, you will see it will also move data block. Going to 0, and I am going to select another data block. Select data as a 1. So I am going to compile it again and download into my PLC. And I am going to modify one into decimal. Let's see, we will see in these in the data block. We have 0 1.0. Now I'm again going to that and we'll modify it. Going to on it, so you will see it will move that value to our data block value 1. So you will see it will move 1.0 to our data block 1.0. So that's how move function work in our TIA portal. Now I'm using move block, and I'm going to count it to 5, and I'm going to move our data block and 0 to 5. Now I'm going to move it to, you will see I'm selecting to 5. I'm just change it to 4. Now I'm compiling it and download it to my PLC. Being online, you will see there going online there also. You will see it will move from 0 to 4 to value to our data block 5 to 9, 5 to 8. So it will move our 4 counts, like you will see 1, 2, 3, 4 to our 4 counts, which is again after 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how move blocks operation is going to work. Now I am going to use unmove block, and I am going to select select move block 1. Now I am going to selecting that from 4. So selecting that I think from 5, and I am going to move that to data block 2 and data, and I am going to select that to 0. And now I am going to again use count as a 4. I am going to compile that and download into my PLC. And I am going online and going online again and going online again on there. So you will see it will move value of 6, 5, I think which is from start from 5, it will move 6, 7, 8, 9 to our value 6, 7, 8, 9 to data block 2. So that's how unmoved block going to work. Now I'm going to again offline and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to use fill. Now I'm going to use fill. I'm going to use 1 there and I'm going to move that to our data block and data block selecting 0. Now I'm going to enter 5 count. So you will see it will move 1 to data block 2, 0, data block 2, and it will move 5 in all that 5 arrays tags which are visible in data block. So I'm going to compile that, download into my PLC, and I'm going online. So you will see that there. You will see that it will move was 1 from 0 to 5. Now if I am going to go on offline and use unfill, I am going to move as a 5 again there, and I am going to enter a value of data block 1 and selecting my 5. So I am going to move that to our data block 2 and I am going to selecting to 6. I am going to change it to 4. Going to compile that and download into my PLC. I'm going online. Again I'm going online there. So you will see the value of our 5 value is 6.0. You will see 6.0 in our data block new 5, and you will see it will move 6 to 9 because I select there as a 4. It will move 6.0 to our 4 is unfill that to that. So it will work as the same as fill block and unfill. It will also filling and unfilling our data blocks as well. So I think our move blocks has been finished. Now I am going to move a swap command, show you how swapping going to work. So swap is working that it will convert, it will change our tag. You will see I am selecting MW0. I am going to select MW2 there and I am going to compile that and I am going to monitor that. So I think I don't download into my PLC. Now I download into my PLC. I'm going online. So you will see it will convert 0005 to 05. The 05 will give us the first position is there. So if I am going to change that and modify again and 0010. So you will see it will place 10 after that. If I am going to use modify again, I'm going to use 11122 and you will see 22 will place front and 111 is the place again. So that's how swap operation is going to work. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and comments if you don't understand anything. And in the descriptions I give links of Indesoft SCADA, Ignition SCADA and FactoryTalk tutorials if you want to learn those things. So must watch my video. Thank you very much again for watch my video.